beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today to do a testing out new makeup 2023 video. I have here the Anastasia Cosmos palette, and I also have a new Tarte concealer. This is the Tarte Radiant Concealer. I'm also going to test out today the Gwen Stefani Contour Palette, which I've been waiting for you beauties to test it out with. So let's just dive right in. I just do have some foundation on right now. I did prep my eyes with the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I did my brows, Anastasia brows. Today I used Dip Brow, so it's a little maybe deeper, but anywho, let's just dive right in. So here is the Anastasia Cosmos palette. Now, if you had seen my previous video where I just did my initial unboxing of this, it came broken. So I haven't opened it since then, you guys. But, you know, the packaging is so beautiful. It's this beautiful kind of baby blue. It reminds me of that vintage blue and then the stars. So it's so beautiful, but it was broken last time that I opened it. And it's still looking to be a bit of a mess. I pressed the shadows back in with my finger, but 3 of these were broken, but you can see it's coming off a little bit. So yeah, maybe I wasn't gonna even use this shade today, to be truthful. It's called Super Cluster, because I just used the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette the other day with that shade, with a very similar shade to that, and it was beautiful. So maybe I won't use that shade again, but look at it, it's all cracked and broken. I guess, you know, there is a liquid that you can put in there and you can help it to come back together again. But maybe to look at this Quasar, that looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not sure. Oh, look at that Galaxy, beautiful and did not break. So maybe I'll use that, or maybe I'll use Galaxy and a little bit of Super Cluster. Okay, let's just dive right in though. So I guess I'll do my eyes first, because we could potentially have that fall out. So let's go ahead now, and then I'll try out the concealer and the face products and then the lip products. So let's just dive right in, beauties. I'm super excited. So I am in dire need of some concealer right now, but I'm doing it for the gram. I got some circles, you guys. You know, I've been wanting, I did this the other day, and now it does make a super sharp line when you put that tape on your eyes. So I'm going to put some tape, but this tape that I have was specifically made for doing eye looks, and it's not that sticky, but it does the job. Oh, today it's sticky. Oh, okay, because it's, you know what it is? It's very humid in my house. So the formula of things changes up on me, because one day something will be sticky and the next day it won't be sticky. And, you know, I think it's the humidity is working on whether things are sticky or not. But anyway, guys, so today this is sticky, or I don't know, guys. But anyway, this I got, I think, at Sephora. It's, you know, again, it's specifically made for doing eye looks. So it's because it's not that sticky. It's meant to not be that sticky, so it doesn't hurt when you rip it off. So anyway, guys, I'm going to dip in here to Dark Matter. You know, I just go with the flow and see what comes upon me. You know, I don't plan this out. So, okay, I'm going to, again, like I said, dip into Dark Matter, the deepest shade in the palette, matte shade in the palette, and let's see how that applies. Oh, that's coming out very nice, not patchy. Okay, and now I'm just going to do a really quick look. I'm just going to go over that, blend that out with Eclipse, which is this kind of matte purple shade here. So I'm just going to kind of blend this out and inwards. And then I'm going to take Quasar with my finger, and I'm just going to put that on the kind of on the lid. Oh, that's so beautiful. That's really amazing. That's so special. That's amazing. But what do you guys think? That's really pretty. Very different. You know what? I'll take these off now. Let's see. Yeah, see how super sharp the line is? It's just a different look. So I'm going to take now Space Dust, and I'm just going to run that through the crease area, because I do have hooding. So with my hooded eyes, I always want to put kind of a deeper shade in the crease area. Actually, that's not very deep at all, so I'm gonna need to reach into a deeper shade. This type of shade from Anastasia, it usually runs very deep, and this is not. So that's great though if you have a light complexion, because sometimes her shadows are a little too intense for me for everyday looks. This is a great shadow for everyday looks because it's not that intense. So I'm gonna have to go in though with Comet. I'm using Comet now just to intensify because I need to conceal my hooding. It's just my preference to always kind of use a deep shade on the crease to conceal the hooding. So I'm just dipping into this shade now. So I'm going to put on some winged liner and some, I do actually have this sample that they gave me of a new Anastasia, I believe it's new. It's from Anastasia mascara. It's called Lash Brag. So I figured we'll try this out too, but I'm just going to curl my lashes. I'm going to put on a little winged liner and I'll be right back. Beauties, you're never going to believe this. This has never happened to me before. I was using my mirror to just perfect, you know, to fix my eyeliner. So I had the mirror like this and the shadows fell out. So these two right here just fell out and they fell all over my outfit, fell all over me. They're everywhere. It's like unbelievable. So this one's Super Cluster and this one here, Sun, never even got to try it. It just fell out all over the place. And you know what? Thank goodness I'm in my beauty space here, because imagine you were on your bedding or something, or your couch trying to do your makeup, and it would, or your car, and it would have fell all over you and ruined your bedding or your car or whatever. That's horrible. I'm like, so I don't even want to try this mascara because I'm just so disappointed. There is absolutely no reason that these shadows are coming like this. Like I said in my previous video, but I don't know if you saw, but other makeup companies put bubble wrap in, they wrap the palette and then they put the palette in the box. Now, Anastasia doesn't do that. They use, let me get it for you here. Anastasia uses cardboard. And that has to have something to do with it, because they're not bubble wrapped. Juvia's Place comes bubble wrapped. Natasha Denona comes bubble wrapped. Now, you might say, well, Natasha Denona is, you know, more expensive. Maybe it's more money to bubble wrap, to put that bubble wrapping, and then they bubble wrap it and then they put it in the box. But guys, Juvia's Place is affordable makeup, and this is actually the I'm testing it out. This is the Lash Brag mascara. Juvia's Place is affordable makeup, and they use bubble wrap on all of their products that I've seen so far. The blushes, the powder blushes came bubble wrapped, the palette came bubble wrapped, and Morphe products come bubble wrapped. The palette comes wrapped in bubble wrap. The shimmers are beautiful, but how long has this been going on for? You know, how long until somebody cares? I'm returning this. I wasn't even going to return it, but because, you know, I said, oh, I'll make do, but you can't make do. It just fell apart. You know, it just fell apart all over me. So, but you know, Anastasia, I don't want to trash the company or anything, because the brow products are amazing. I also love the lip pencils, and but these shadows, wow, that was just really disappointing. Now I have to go. I'm gonna go to the store and return it, so that's gonna take, you know, time out of my day that I have. Maybe people have to spend gas to go to the store and return stuff, you know. And if you don't normally go to the store, I normally don't really go to the store. It's a little far from my house, but I will be going now. That's why I wasn't going to return it, because I said, you know what, it's kind of far from my house and things like that. But I have to. That's just unbelievable. Yeah. And all that money, people save up. People get these type of things for their birthday. And imagine you got that for your birthday and you were so happy and it fell apart on you. Because a lot of people, that's all they have, you know. They get one nice thing and maybe they save all their money for it. It's just not right. Not everybody has money to buy tons of palettes and tons of makeup, and that's not reality. And I know I didn't used to have money to buy makeup, and I would have saved up and bought this and treasured it and babied it and loved it. I used to do that, and I wouldn't even use my palettes because I was afraid to use them up because they were so special to me. But okay, anyway guys, let's move on, because I have here the Tarte Shape Tape. This is the Radiant version, Now, I believe this is going to be more moisturizing. It's going to have the coverage of the original Shape Tape, but it's going to be, again, more moisturizing, more radiant. So let's see about that. So far, it does feel creamy and does not feel too drying, but it doesn't feel that moisturizing. That's not like an Hourglass. If you've tried the Hourglass, that's very moisturizing. So what I'm noticing about this is that it is creamier, but it definitely is a drier formulation as compared to other concealers. But the good news about a formula like this is that it's staying put where you put it. So it's not too emollient, it's not, it's staying right, like I said, it's staying right where you put it. So that's nice, especially for contouring, because when you contour your face, you know, you do want the light areas to stay light and the deeper areas to stay deep. So that is gonna work great for that. If you like a brightened under eye, this is going to be great for that because it's going to stay put under your eyes and not get too, it's only going to get too far down if you were to put it there, because it's like almost a little bit tacky. It's staying put right where I placed it, which is very nice. Now, I don't know if this is actually that moisturizing. For example, if you have dry skin, you might still not want to purchase this concealer. You might still want something more moisturizing because it definitely doesn't feel that moisturizing. It's just more moisturizing than the original Tarte Shape Tape. So now let's try this one out. This is the Gwen Stefani Contour Palette. Pick It Up Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo. So one of these is powder. Oh, okay. This is the powder, the lighter shade, and then the cream shade is deeper. Now, ever since I saw that video, which I probably still have on my phone, I'm obsessed with it. It was Gwen using this. If I still have the video, I'll put the clip in because I'm obsessed. When she did her contour with this, I was like, oh, I don't know what it is. Something about contour drives my eyes wild. So first, she reached into the deep shade. I am going to tap off the excess, and then she just stamps it on, and she kind of made like a C. Yeah, she made a C, and that's gorgeous. That was worth it. Sometimes I don't like to buy things if, you know, if it's not good. Who does though, right? But I don't like to, I have so many issues with contour. This is what I'm saying. I just don't have high hopes when I use contour. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is an outstanding product. It is so stunning. Blends like a dream. Didn't leave any marks of, you know, a lot of them, they just won't, I don't know what it is. They just won't blend properly. They leave a mark, and I have to do a lot of blending to get rid of that mark of demarcation. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am so happy. I hope that Gwen stays with her makeup, because I never want to stop using her makeup. This is a product I never want to be without. Because I don't really see a lot of people talking about her makeup, so, but she probably, I guess, doesn't do like influencer things, that's why. But this is so creamy. It's so beautiful. It's emollient, so if you have dry skin, you probably would love this. It just blended like a dream. The color is beautiful. Okay, so now actually I do have this. Let me try this out. This is something new. This is from Fenty. This is the Fenty Beauty. This is a cheek and lip tint. So such beautiful packaging. I just want to try this out with, oh wow, that is super pigmented. I wasn't expecting it because it looks clear in here. Okay, I have my new Rare Beauty blush brush. Let's try blending it with this, because this brush is amazing. Oh, that is really beautiful. This is the Fenty Cheek and Lip, so you can also use this on your lip. Did I just say that? Cheek and lip, yeah. So that's beautiful. Love that. Okay, what were we gonna try? Should I try this on the lips quick? Let's give it a quickie. It feels really moisturizing, very creamy. It feels really good, wow. So here is Charlotte Tilbury. Look at this, I'm almost out of it. I love it so much. I've been using up all my lip liners, so I personally can't believe it. This is beautiful. as a cheek and a lip. Just for me with the lip liner, I prefer it. So, okay, I'm going to quickly set this. And, oh, I gotta use the powder. I forgot she has a powder. So let me put the powder on. And I'm just gonna use this BK Beauty 111 brush. Take off the excess and just tap it on. Oh, that's gorgeous. Wow. This is beautiful. If you have a complexion like mine and you have trouble finding a perfect bronzer and perfect contour, this is it. This is beautiful. Oh, and it's so summery. And this Fenty, I think, is giving a beautiful glow, a glowy glossiness to the skin. But this is amazing. Look, now I'm using it for my eyes, and it's making the most gorgeous eyeshadow. Wow, this is beautiful on the eyes. This is the best. This is seriously one of the best makeup products I've ever bought. And the value is amazing because, again, you can use it on your eyes. You're getting cream, you're getting powder. You could use it to well, that is a contour palette actually, so I used it to contour my nose. So beauties, this is the finished look for today. I was not anticipating how much I love this Fenty Beauty. This is like a multi-stick cheek and lip. It feels like it's not even gonna budge. Once you put on the lip liner that you like, or unless you like that pink lip look, that would actually look gorgeous with lip oil on top, or even right now I could throw some lip oil on top, and how gorgeous would that look? But this is an amazing product. I was not expecting the glossiness that it gave to my face, and how beautiful the tone is, and the lip tone of it. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful for summer makeup. This is favorite makeup for life right here. Gwen Stefani contour and cream contour and bronzer powder duo. This is amazing. I got the shade Toasting, but there are more shades. So if you have a lighter complexion, I do believe there's a lighter one that Gwen uses, and it looked beautiful on her. And so this is seriously best makeup I ever purchased. Definitely keeping that with me for every day, you know, when I want to do my everyday glam or my everyday go anywhere. That's makeup I'm reaching for. Now this is going back. This is such a huge disappointment. It's unbelievable. You know, they're a very successful company, so why can't they take measures to try to improve? You know, even people will put their palettes in an extra box. Like, I know it costs more money though, but Natasha Denona had hers bubble wrapped and in an extra box, safety protected. But I know it was like, I don't know if I should have showed you guys, but it came like double boxed. But, you know, I know that costs more money, but Morphe and Juvia's Place, they're doing good just wrapping it in bubble wrap and then putting it in the box. I don't know why they can't do that. So definitely going back and okay, I'm gonna stop complaining, but you know. Anyway, beauties, thank you so much for coming and spending time with me today and testing out this new makeup 2023. Let me know what you think of these down below. Again, these are outstanding. This was worth whatever, every moment of it, of every penny. And that's pretty much it, dolls. So I wanted to have a giveaway today for a $25 Ulta Sephora gift card. So just comment hashtag GlamFam down below to enter to win that gift card. And I'll be picking one of you beauties very soon. I do comment you in the comments to let you know you won. So please check back, because a few of you beauties, I'll have to write your names down and verbally say it in the video. I don't know, because I don't think you get the message when a few of you had won giveaways. And I don't think you get the message, so because you didn't write back. So anyway guys, hopefully we could find a solution for that. I'll write your name down and say it in the video in the future. Otherwise I'll have to go ahead and pick another winner if you don't contact me within 72 hours. So anyway, dolls, thank you so much for coming and spending time with me today and testing out this new makeup. I hope you beauties are all doing good. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and enter to win all of our future giveaways, this and all of our future giveaways. So I love you beauties so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.